Hi, I'm Sam from Superrod, and I'd like to demonstrate the QuikReel. The QuikReel has been designed to save you time and money and to solve some of the common problems whilst working with cable on the job site. So this is probably one of the most common problems involving cable on the job site. There's not a lot more frustrating than when the cardboard gets wet or damaged and then the cable tangles up, or box cable, sometimes box cable gets wet and damaged and then you're left with the internal drum. So this ultimately saves a lot of time and money. I've spoken to a lot of contractors that say when it gets to this stage and it unravels and it tangles up that it's just not worth the effort and they just chuck the drum away. So this saves a lot of time and money. You can just drop that down on there, put the top on, screw this down in, and then that's it. You've saved the drum. So that's the repair part of the demonstration. So that's how you repair the drummer cable, but you don't have to wait until the drum is damaged to use this tool. You could just buy your drummer cable from the wholesaler, put it straight onto the QuikReel, and it already starts to protect the drum from getting wet or damaged on the job site straight away. So yeah, you don't need to wait for it to get damaged to use it. It's also a dispenser. So not only is it just a cable repair tool, but that can be used with any cable dispenser, but it's a cable dispenser in its own right, and it's been designed around a spinning top. So you literally just put it down on any level surface and then you just literally spin, and it just spins on the spot. And also, if you're working vertically, if you just put it up against a wall, the drum will just spin internally and just keep going. Another feature of the QuikReel is that you can also pop the bottom out and then put this onto a traditional cable spooler. Here's one, for example, the Cable Jack Plus from Superrod. Right, that's it for my demonstration, but don't just take my word for it. I'm going to put up some end user videos to show you how it performs on the job site and how it can save you time and money. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to know more about the QuikReel, check out our website or connect with us on our social media pages. Thanks.